Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is AJ, and today I'm here to review the Apache 5800. So right off, my initial takeaway from the handles are that they're comfortable and rugged. They have a rubber molded feeling to them. I did notice opening and closing the latches did feel different from other high-end cases. Other companies' cases like Pelican have a 2-component latch versus Apache's 1-component latch. Rigid plastic isn't the best option when it comes to long-term durability with latches. This has the potential to be a failure point in the future, so I'll keep an eye on it because I don't want any accidental openings. Also, there are 2 metal reinforced holes that can be used with TSA approved padlocks to secure your gear. By using this pressure release valve in conjunction with the rubber O-ring seal, the 5800 ensures your gear will be protected from the elements, also balancing pressure and keeping water out. The Apache 5800 comes with 2 levels of foam inserts, and so I got a little bit creative and cut a piece of cardboard to match the dimensions of the inserts to act as a floor for the upper level of the partitions. One of my favorite parts about this case is that you have the ability to extend the handle just like the Pelican 1510. The handle extended, it makes it that much easier to roll all that gear through any lobby, airport, or even to your car. I gotta admit, the reels are a little bit rough, but it's not that much different from the Pelican 1510. I expect they'll last a good amount of time before I gotta replace them. Let's see how the 5800 compares to the competition. The pricing for the Pelican 1510 is $189.95, while the pricing for the Apache 5800 is $89.99. The Pelican not only differs in pricing, but also in stress testing and certification. Testing ranges from vibration testing, low temperature testing, dry heat testing, and impact testing. Pelican advertises that their cases can be submerged in water, as seen in pictures on their website. This is probably why the United States military uses Pelican cases to store and transport sensitive equipment. But all things considered, I'm not looking to go deep sea diving with my camera gear anytime soon. Also, I don't recommend submerging the Apache 5800. Its water resistant attributes meets my needs. The main purpose of me purchasing this case is to transport all of my fragile equipment to venues and work sites. I wasn't able to find much information on the limits of the Apache 5800, but what I was able to find was positive reviews online, and that's a major influencer on my purchasing habits. So my general rating for this product is 4 out of 5. I'll let you guys know how things turn out long term. Thank you for tuning in. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you like my content and would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on major social media platforms at Jeneral Entertainment, and that's Jeneral spelled Jeneral.